Patanjali Ayurveda Limited is an Indian consumer goods company. Manufacturing units and headquarters are located in the industrial area of Haridwar, Uttarakhand, while the registered office is located at Delhi. The company manufactures mineral and herbal products. According to CLSA and HSBC, Patanjali is the fastest-growing FMCG company in India. It is valued at 3,000 crore, equivalent to 35 billion or 490 million United States dollars in 2019, and some predict revenues of 5,000 crore, 700 million United States dollars for the fiscal 2015-16. Patanjali declared its annual turnover of the year 2016-17 to be estimated 10,216 crore, 1.4 billion United States dollars. It was listed 13th in the list of India's most trusted brands, the Brand Trust Report, as of 2018, and ranks first in FMCG category. Ramdev Baba established the Patanjali Ayurveda Limited in 2006 along with Balakrishna, with the objective of establishing science of Ayurveda in accordance and coordination with the latest technology and ancient wisdom. Balakrishna owns 98.6% of Patanjali Ayurveda, and as of March 2018, has a net worth of 43,932 crore, 6.1 billion United States dollars. Patanjali Food and Herbal Park at Haridwar is the main production facility operated by Patanjali Ayurveda. The company has a production capacity of Rs 35,000 crore, equivalent to 380 billion or 5.3 billion United States dollars in 2019, and is in the process of expanding to a capacity of Rs 60,000 crore, equivalent to 690 billion or 9.7 billion United States dollars in 2019 through its new production units at several places, including Noida, Nagpur, and Indore. In 2016, the Patanjali Food and Herbal Park was given a full-time security cover of 35 armed Central Industrial Security Force (CISF) commandos. The park will be the 8th private institute in India to be guarded by CISF paramilitary forces. Ramdev Baba is himself a Z category protectee of Central Paramilitary Forces. In 2017, Patanjali Group launched their official caller tune with the slogan Swadeshi Swabhaman Rashtra Seva Ka Abhiyan, music composed by Vivav Saxena. Patanjali Ayurveda produces products in the categories of personal care and food. The company manufactures more than 2,500 products, including 45 types of cosmetic products and 30 types of food products. According to Patanjali, all the products manufactured by Patanjali are made from Ayurveda and natural components. Patanjali has also launched beauty and baby products. Patanjali Ayurvedic Manufacturing Division has over 300 medicines for treating a range of ailments and body conditions, from common cold to chronic paralysis. Patanjali has announced to enter the textile manufacturing center. The company is reported to manufacture not only traditional clothes such as kurta pajama but also popular Western clothes such as jeans. On the 5th of November 2016, Patanjali announced that it will set up a new manufacturing plant, Patanjali Herbal and Mega Food Park in Balapara, Assam, by investing Rs 1,200 crore, 170 million United States dollars, with the manufacturing capacity of 10 lakh tons of goods per year. The new plant will be the largest facility of Patanjali in India and is operational from March 2017. Patanjali already has around 50 manufacturing units across India. As per the tie-up with Future Group, all the consumer products of Patanjali will be available for the direct sale in Future Group outlets. Patanjali Ayurveda products are also available in modern trade stores including Reliance Retail, Hyper City and Star Bazaar apart from online channels. Patanjali Ayurveda, co-founded by Yoga Guru Ramdev, is targeting Rs 10,000 crore revenue in 2016-17, after sales grew 150% in the previous financial year to Rs 5,000 crore. Patanjali Ayurveda has also started its FMCG expansion in form of dealership and distributorship channels across the country and expects wider growth in overseas distribution as well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more.